Hello everyone, we have a Johnny Lightning here. I got this off eBay. It was like $2, so why not? So this is the original packaging. It's this hot rods, authentic replicas, real street rods, and it says Bad Bird. But I did a search for Bad Bird, and absolutely nothing came up. So I don't think this is actually a licensed item. Eventually, after like 10 minutes of searching, I found out that this car was made by Tom Wilkinson, who owns a body shop in Sylvania, Ohio. And his body shop took a 62, I think it's a 62 T-Bird, and cut down the windshield 4 inches. Then you have this custom grille, and the headlights are from a 91 Buick Regal. And then the car itself is also lowered 4 inches. And then the wheels are 17-inch centerline wheels, although Johnny Lightning did not match those. But it's got this funky, tonneau for the rear. So it's pretty cool looking, actually. Okay. Originally, this was an illustration by a guy named Tom Taylor. And so Tom Wilkinson, who owned the body shop, liked the illustration so much that he built the car in reality. And I do think it looks cool. So what we have from Johnny Lightning is a metallic medium blue, it looks like. And then the wheels, yeah, unfortunately they don't look anything like the center lines. They must just be standard Johnny Lightning wheels. But I do like that the tires are rounded. They look pretty realistic, and they're staggered in diameter, much thicker in the rear. Going to the front, yes, we have those headlights there that just painted white rectangles. The grille does have details, and they're painted black. It's really well painted, actually. This side, yeah, pretty clean. Everything's been shaved, cleaned off. And then the taillights here, it's just red. Couldn't find a rear image of this car. I'm assuming the exhaust would have been there originally. Alright, well, let's kind of checking out the top here. Yeah, those seat backs blend nicely into these things here. And then decent enough details, kind of Hot Wheels style, but a little bit better because you actually have air passing between the steering wheel spokes. Okay, yeah, just a shaved windshield. No blue paint though, no actual A-pillars. Some grooves here, no paint. And this hood bulge, there's a little vent there on the real thing. Okay, let's see, standard, I think these are just standard tires from JL. It's a pretty narrow casting. 1997 copyright date. Unfortunately, it doesn't tell you what the car is, so it's too bad. Rolls really well, very well actually. Okay, let's look at a couple other custom cars. I got this Auto World 66 Impala lowrider. Then I got this Muscle Machines 57 Nomad. So that's actually it for the classic customs. Well, actually that's not true. I got this crazy M2 Machines 59 Cadillac. So I do like my custom rides, whether they're new or old. Or old. Sorry, what's up with my throat today? I think there's something wrong with this house. There's a lot of dust in this house. I don't smoke cigarettes. I haven't smoked in pre-COVID, so I don't know what the deal is. Alright, let's get the spin thing. So, for $2, I can't complain. If this is actually like 10 or 12 bucks, it's not ideal. I don't think it's long enough. I feel like the proportions, the wheelbase looks too short. If you look at that side photo, this is a really long and low car. Something looks a little bit off. Maybe it's also too narrow. And the tires also give it the illusion of looking weird as well. So, but again, for $2, it's a cool little custom car for my collection. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I'll probably get another Johnny Lightning someday. So hopefully I'll see you in that review. Bye now.